You bounce it, biggity bop, 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 work your upper upper. You mix it when you clap it when you bounce your upper upper. You bounce it, biggity bop, 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 work your upper upper. You mix it when you clap it when you bounce your upper upper. Shake, 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 shake.
Hey y'all, it's me, Malibu Darby. Welcome to my channel. If it's not your first time watching, welcome back. Today, not my usual video, but I think this is like my third or so video, and you guys seem to like them, and every time I do one of these, people say, like, do more about sneakers or do another sneaker video. So, we are talking about sneakers. Before I jump into the unboxing, literally the unboxing, I have not even seen these shoes in person yet. Go ahead and hit the subscription button down below, as well as the notification bell, so you can always know when I post. And if you do want to see more like shoe unboxings or handbag unboxings or things like that, make sure you leave that down in the comments. I'm gonna go and open this box. So if you've been on my channel before, then you know I am not like a sneaker encyclopedia. I am not a sneakerhead. That is not my jam. I like shoes when I like shoes. And because you guys seem to like the previous videos, I decided whenever we buy like a limited release or a shoe that just seems really hyped up or like hard to get, I will do some sort of view on it, just so people kind of know a little bit more about it. So the shoe that we're talking about today is the Nike Jordan 1 Mocha. These came out on the 31st. We ordered them. I said we because I'll be honest, Aramis was the one who was like on the app. The little I do know about sneakers, I know the sneakers app is a little tricky. So he was on the app like, no, I gotta get these shoes. So these came out on the 31st. We did get them via the sneakers app, and they delivered today, which is November 4th. So shipping was actually pretty fast. I was definitely impressed by that. Standard Nike box. These are men's, so these are Aramis shoes, but I still wanted to check them out before I even saw if I want to try to hunt them down myself for me. So we purchased these for $170, I believe, on the app, and I checked StockX today, and I think they were going for around $300. So definitely already being priced higher. I think he probably is going to look into reselling these. So this will not be a unboxing or video that features them on feet, because again, I do not wear a men's 13, so these are not mine. But let me open them up. Ooh, okay. So this is definitely a shoe that I liked as soon as I saw it. Let's make sure we're focusing. So this is the shoe straight out of the box. I don't know if you can see immediately or tell the difference. I should have grabbed my other ones, but they are this dark mocha suede on the back, black leather, and this color, it looks white on camera, I think, but it's actually more of a cream. So definitely compared to like your regular Jordan 1, it's much more of a cream color. Everything else looks pretty standard. So they come with the black laces done. And then they come with the cream laces. I actually saw somebody who put the cream laces in theirs, and that's what made me kind of want them. What I like about these is they're a super neutral color. Typically, I feel like I'm drawn to the Jordan ones that are like bright or like the all metallic ones. But I like how casual these are and how I feel like this can really be an everyday shoe, especially coming into fall and winter. I feel like this shoe can just go a lot of places and go really versatile. I'm typically weary about shoes that have this much white or cream on them, just because the wear and tear. I feel like these will look dirty faster. I do know they're super similar to the Travis Scott Jordans, which I know are also like super hyped up and everybody wants. Really, I just wanted to see if they had any difference from the actual like other Jordans that I have, but everything seems about the same. Black sole. I love this suede material. I would definitely probably do some sort of like Scotch guard or protect it, just because I feel like if that gets damaged, you're going to lose a lot of the appeal on the shoe. Like I said, I see the price has already gone up to about $300, so almost probably will be double the price that it was for last week on sneakers, probably quickly. I I'm going to see, I already know it's probably gonna be very hard, or if I do find it in my size, which would be a men's 8, I'm sure it's going to be crazy expensive. I have seen a couple good videos. I will put in the description box, like some videos I've seen where they have them on foot, because I know a lot of people do want to see them on your feet. My biggest takeaways for them are really just how, like the suede material is. Love that. Also the cream color. I almost want to grab like my forces so you could just see how different the color is, but I don't know how to pick up on camera. But it's truly like cream. Like it's not white at all. So if you're looking for a white shoe, this is not white. But I love the color, love the black. Like I said, I will tag some on foot reviews and things like that. I do feel like this would just be a good staple, even if it's higher priced. I feel like because the colors are so neutral, like this isn't super trendy to the point that it's like a bright yellow shoe and you can't really wear it with a lot of stuff. Like I feel like you can wear this with a lot of things. I feel like this can go different seasons. If you keep them in good condition, I feel like next year, like you can still wear the shoe. So even if you are purchasing it for like the higher end, or you're like purchasing a resale and it's more than the original price, I feel like it would still be a good investment. And if you have them like we do, I'll probably hold on to them. I'm not good at that. Aramis has to tell me like, no, you can't wear this shoe. This isn't that kind of shoe. Because I would have had these on and wore these out tonight. But that's probably why he didn't get my size. So yeah, that is my quick unboxing, first impression review of the Nike Jordan 1s, dark mocha. Showing y'all the shoe. There's so many unboxing and like super detailed, like literal scientific breakdowns on these shoes and their releases. Like I said, if you guys have any other unboxings you want, I got some luxury handbags and things like that. If there's any other things you want, let me know. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.